day in the life of the TK5 Virtual Academy for Cotati Roanoke Park Unified School District. Welcome, my name is Christina Lunde, and I'm a member of the Virtual Academy design team. To begin your child's journey as a learner in the Virtual Academy, you want to think about taking charge of my learning. What is it that I'm supposed to be understanding? What do I need to do to make sure that I understand? Are my ideas being shared with my classmates? How do I need to do that? When do I get to share my ideas? And how will I make sure that I am showing my thinking? While your child is experiencing learning in the Virtual Academy, these are checkpoints for you to use with your child to help your child to gain agency in their learning. Create an at-home learning space. This can look a variety of different ways. This could be something that is portable. This could be something that takes over a space in the home. This could be something that is unique to your child's learning environment. The key is that your child has a learning space for this Virtual Academy with the supplies that he or she will need. From the onset, if your child has special needs of any sort, whether this be a child that has an already identified IEP, a child that has a 504, a child that is in the student study team process at their present school, these needs will be addressed from the onset while planning and engaging in the Virtual Academy learning. If your child is so fortunate to have another home primary language, then you need to know that your child's needs will be addressed through the English language development standards, and that there will be strategies put in place for your child to be able to access the content based on their language acquisition needs. So please know that the Virtual Academy is designed to really be thinking about the individual needs of students, which is why many of us will choose a setting like this for our child. So please advocate for your child. Please be sure to share with us any concerns that you may have so that we can plan from the onset. So in today's meeting, you are going to find out what a sample day could look like, what a week could look like, and what kind of resources you will have available being part of the Virtual Academy. So a daily routine will really depend on the family and your needs. There will be an expected amount of time or work that needs to be produced to show evidence of student work and learning. However, that daily routine can really be addressed to the family needs. That's the same for the week. You may be choosing to schedule the week to meet the needs of your family's schedule. So please look at identify what those needs are and create a day and a week and a month that addresses the needs of your family, keeping in mind what the expectations are as a member of the Virtual Academy. There are a variety of resources available for parents, for students, and for any of our members of the Virtual Academy. So you will have access to being able to connect with educators, connect with other families who are in the Virtual Academy, and to have resources, whether it be something on digitally or on paper or in person, to work with someone to meet the needs of your child. What is your role for the Virtual Academy? You are their learning coach. You are expected to participate with your child's learning, especially in the area of scheduling and coordinating when and how your child will learn their content, their grade level expectations. Your responsibility will be making sure that the resources are there for your child, working with the Virtual Academy team. So you have an active role of facilitating the learning environment for your child and using the resources that you will have access to. Like the parents, there are student resources as well. So take a moment to get familiar with what resources will be available for your child. There will be field trips for your child to participate in. This is part of that social emotional learning and putting content into contextualized situations. So you will be in contact with your Virtual Academy educator to identify when and how field trips will fit for your child. There will also be extracurricular activities available for your child. So again, using the resources, being familiar with your team and who you can work with will make all of these opportunities available for your child. Student involvement is really valuable for them to know with their school site. So if they're already part of a school site in Cotati Roanoke Park, then they'll have access to activities that are part of that school site. Again, it really depends on the needs of your child and why you're doing this. So thank you for taking the time to learn more about the TK5 Virtual Academy, and please reach out to us with any questions or any ideas that you may have about a day in the life of TK5 Virtual Academy.